Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased kitchencup.in reviews and will let you know is kitchencup.in legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So by the end of this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Kitchen Cup offers variety of products such as magic mops, organizer racks, dustbins, storage basket and much more. And guys, here we can see that the prices of all these products are too good to believe. So before buying anything from this shopping website, let's check its authenticity. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard and cash on delivery. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that Kitchen Cup offers free standard delivery and all orders are processed and shipped within 24 hours of order placement or before order fulfillment from the warehouse, whichever is earlier. Moving on to check the return and refund procedure. So here we can see that customer can return their products within 10 days from the date of placing the order only if delivered product is defected. And guys, here we can see that nothing is clearly specified about the refund procedure. Addition to this, the content over the website seems to be copied. Therefore, let's check the content quality of kitchencup.in. So guys, here we can see that 29% of the content over this website is copied as it matches with other scam websites. So it's quite a negative point. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here we can see that address, contact number and an email ID is provided, which is cutegirlfashion@gmail.com. Guys, the email ID does not matches with the domain name, which again is a negative point. Addition to this, I would like to inform you that the given contact number does not exist, so you won't be able to make calls as well. So again, it's a red flag. Moving on to check the customer reviews. So guys, here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check the customer reviews over the reliable sites on the internet. So guys, I could not find even a single customer review on the internet as well. Thus, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in determining the legitimacy of any shopping website. Talking about registration details, so here we can see that kitchencup.in was registered on 28th November 2021. Thus the website does not have much traffic as it was registered just a couple of days back. So based on all these checkpoints, I would state that kitchencup.in is a scam website. Therefore, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, I would like to end the video by stating that don't get tempted by cash on delivery option or 10 days return policy because these are just to attract the customers. They won't deliver you quality products, therefore don't end up by wasting your hard earned money. So guys, that was all about authenticity of kitchencup.in. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this shopping website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay informed, stay alert.